Okay, just on my way back. I'm at the back of my house, so I thought I would just use this opportunity as I'm walking back to tell you about Sunday, and I'll put some pictures up. So on Sunday, we join Sayori, who is the wife of the owner of Studio Kura, and there was 2 other girls from my house. We were the only 3 who wanted to go, and we said we would go, and Sayori was running a workshop about an hour and 10 minutes away for children at the Space Museum. And these children belong to the Space Academy, and so their parents enroll them, and it's all on weekends, and they come and they have lessons, and it's all different lessons. It's art lessons, it's lessons about space, lessons about NASA, lessons about famous astronauts. And Sayori was asked to come and run this an activity, a practical activity, so that the kids could do something fun. So there was 2 workshops. So one of the girls from the house here, she went to the first workshop, and the other girl and I walked around the Science Museum, which was fascinating, very much set up for kids, but it was, yeah, really amazing. Yeah, so as we pass my residence, and we're walking along, so back to what I was talking about, the workshop. So we walked around the museum. It's very well set up for children to do all little experiments and, you know, test little scientific things. They can even ride a bike on a tightrope. We went into a couple of areas that had lots of space information, and then also their planetarium. And of course, I had to go and get an omiyagi, which is a souvenir, because you can't go anywhere in Japan without at least buying a sticker or some sort of souvenir. And I got some little sticker, and then I found this beautiful book on the dictionary of colour, so I bought that as well. Very beautiful. And then we had some lunch provided, beautiful sushi, sashimi, lovely lunch. And then it was my turn to go to the workshop. The kids just blew me away. They were so articulate. I would say half, if not more than half, spoke English. And I sat with this one little boy and helped him make his planet. Of course, it was about space, and they were making planets. And just talking to me, you know, excellent English. I kept trying to talk a little bit of Japanese, but it's a little bit difficult when they speak great English. Anyway, it was a good chance, I guess, for them to practice their English. I'm not sure what's up those stairs. Might have to check that out one day. So, yeah, so the workshop was for about 2 hours, and it was, as I said, just like amazing. Such a joyous experience. I just had the most amazing time. As I said in one of my previous videos, I felt a little bit sick at the end. I had a bit of a sore throat, and was just exhausted. But I thoroughly enjoyed the experience.